Hi everyone. English is one of the most important languages in the world. Many people use English to study, work, travel, and talk to others from different countries. If you want to improve your English, you are not alone. Many people feel the same. The good news is that you can improve your English with practice, time, and the right methods. In this story, we will talk about how you can improve your English step by step. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying and never stop learning. First, it is important to understand why you want to improve your English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study in another country. Maybe you want to watch English movies or read English books. When you know your reason, you will feel more motivated. Motivation is the key to learning anything. It helps you stay strong even when learning feels hard. So, take a moment to think about your reason. Write it down. Keep it with you. Read it when you feel tired or bored. It will remind you to keep going. Now, let's talk about listening. Listening is one of the best ways to learn English. When you listen, you hear how people really speak. You hear the sounds, the words, and the way people connect words in real life. Try to listen to English every day. You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. Choose topics that you like. If you enjoy the topic, it will be easier to listen. Try not to worry if you don't understand everything. At first, it is okay to miss some words. Your brain needs time to get used to the sounds. After a few weeks, you will start to understand more and more. You can use subtitles at first. Then, after some time, try to listen without them. This will help you train your ears. Many people feel shy when speaking. They are afraid to make mistakes. But mistakes are a part of learning. Nobody speaks perfectly when they start. Even native speakers make mistakes. The best way to improve your speaking is to practice. Try to speak English every day. You can talk to a friend, a teacher, or even to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself is a good way to practice. You can describe your day, your thoughts, or what you see around you. You can also read a sentence out loud and then say it in your own words. If you can, find a speaking partner online. Many websites help learners find partners. Speaking often will help you feel more confident. Reading is another skill you should practice. Reading helps you learn new words and see how sentences are made. Start with easy books. These books are written for learners, so they use simple words. Don't choose hard books at the beginning. If you do, you may feel tired and stop reading. As you improve, you can read news articles, blogs, and stories. Reading just 10 to 15 minutes a day can help a lot. Try to guess the meaning of new words from the sentence. If you cannot guess, look them up. Write them in a notebook and review them later. This will help you remember them better. Writing is also a great way to improve your English. You can start by writing a journal. A journal is a book where you write about your day. You can write what you did, what you ate, how you felt, or what you learned. Try to write every day. At first, write short sentences. Then try longer ones. Do not worry about grammar too much. The goal is to express your ideas. Over time, you will get better at grammar, too. You can also write short stories, messages, or comments online. If you have someone to check your writing, that's great. If not, you can use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to help you find mistakes. Grammar is important, but you don't have to learn all the rules at once. Focus on the most common grammar points first. These include verb tenses, articles, prepositions, and question forms. When you learn grammar, try to use it in speaking and writing. That's how you remember it better. You can use grammar books for learners or websites with short lessons and exercises. Practice a little every day. It is better to study grammar for 10 minutes daily than for 2 hours once a week. Make grammar part of your daily routine. Vocabulary is also very important. You need words to speak, read, write, and listen. But don't try to learn too many words at one time. Start with the most common 1,000 words in English. These words are used very often. If you learn them, you will understand a lot. Use flashcards, apps, or a notebook to learn words. Try to learn words in groups. For example, learn words about food, school, or travel. Use the new words in sentences. The more you use them, the better you remember them. Review old words often. Repetition helps your brain keep the words. Learning English can sometimes feel slow. You may feel like you are not improving. This is normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. The important thing is to keep going. Set small goals. For example, learn 5 new words today. Or watch an English video. Or read one short story. When you reach your goal, you will feel proud. These small wins keep you going. Also, try to enjoy the process. Learning a language is not just about studying. It is about exploring new ideas, cultures, and people. Use English in your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Think in English when you walk, cook, or wait for a bus. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Try to make English part of your world. Join online forums, write comments, or ask questions in English. Join an English club in your area or online. Talk to people who are also learning. Help each other. Share your problems and successes. Learning together is more fun. Sometimes, you will feel stuck. Maybe you don't understand a grammar point. Maybe you forget words. Maybe you feel shy to speak. This happens to everyone. Don't be hard on yourself. Take a break, then come back. Try a different method. If reading is hard today, listen to a song instead. If speaking feels scary, write something. The key is not to give up. You are learning something big. It takes time. Be patient and kind to yourself. There are many tools to help you. Use YouTube to watch lessons. Use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Quizlet. Use websites like BBC Learning English or VOA Learning English. Use a good dictionary. Try English to English dictionaries for learners. These dictionaries explain words in simple English. You can also use subtitles in videos. First, watch with your language. Then try English subtitles. Then watch without subtitles. Each step helps you grow. Find a teacher or tutor if you can. A good teacher can guide you and correct your mistakes. But even without a teacher, you can learn. The internet has many free resources. You can learn alone if you are consistent. Make a plan. For example, Monday is for reading, Tuesday for listening, Wednesday for speaking, and so on. Keep your plan simple. Follow it as much as you can. Track your progress. Every week, write what you learned. This helps you stay focused. Confidence is very important. Believe in yourself. You can learn English. You have already started. That is the hardest part. Speak even if you make mistakes. Write even if you are not sure. Read even if it feels slow. Listen even if you don't understand everything. Step by step, you will improve. One day, you will look back and be proud. You will remember the first word you learned. You will smile when you remember how scared you were to speak. But now, you will speak clearly and confidently. Learning English is a journey. It may take months or even years. But every day you learn something new, you are moving forward. You are getting better. You are opening new doors. With English, you can read more, talk to more people, and learn more things. It helps you grow. So, take your time. Don't rush. Enjoy each step. You are not alone. Many people are learning with you. Support each other. Share your tips. Celebrate your wins. Thank you for reading this. Now it's your turn to start or continue your journey. Try to use what you learned today. Speak a little English. Write a few lines. Listen to one short video. You don't have to be perfect. Just keep going. Day by day, your English will get better. And one day, you will say, yes, I can speak English.